Alright, everyone, here comes firework. Are you ready to see this? So get ready. It's very dark, not really raining, right? No, it's just taking a little time.
You guys ready? You guys ready?
Yeah, you guys are on my YouTube channel right now. The video.
Follow my YouTube, Joshua Michigan.
And my
Always
YouTube.
promote. You don't have a YouTube.
Yeah.
У тебя есть YouTube? Да. Ну, пускай моя тетя все
Oh, it's getting ready. I think I can see something like this. What? Yeah, I made two already. And my brother Alex made a lot. If you haven't seen my big brother, I missed it. Alright. Everyone missed one firework. Everyone missed a firework.
Are you making a YouTube video on fireworks?
Yeah.
We're gonna do fireworks
Soon. We're gonna do fireworks soon. Okay. Don't
Intermission.
Let's make it so the people can see fireworks. Did you see that? Okay, the cut from that way. You guys just missed the fireworks. They're coming from that way. Fireworks are coming from that way.
Ron, you need to shake it.
Alright. I am at Florida.
Oh! You're gonna wake up the
I saw it.
neighbors.
I saw it. Did everyone see that? I hope they did. You guys are missing fireworks. What are you guys doing over there? What? Intermission. Bum 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 bum.
Stop.
Bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 ba-da bum 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 dum ba-da-da-da sharky sharky.
Maddie, come back. That's too close. Okay, that's too close.
Ba 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 da ba.
What?
They're getting the fireworks set up.
Oh, they're doing fireworks?
Yeah, we're gonna have our own fireworks.
Okay. Wait. Come on.
Hey, careful. Don't play by those.
All right, they're gonna set off fireworks.
Yeah.
All right.
I broke my nose.
Woo! That
You're
scared
gonna wake up the
me.
neighbors.
That scared me. Oh, that scared me. Woo!
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, it's standing right now. Is that all of them? Is that all of them?
I think there's a few more.
Look, the pool looks out green. The pool looks out green. The pool looks out green. Here we go. Woo!
citation for this
What if
one.
it went on me? Doggy! Did I die?
No, no.
Only if I was on the firework.
Luckily, my hairdresser's here.
Alright. Is that all of them, guys?
Luckily, my hairdresser.
Is that all of them?
Nope, I think there's a few more.
Alright.
Be careful.
Where's the challenge? Okay.
Alright. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
You just stuck that apron. Firework. Oh, yeah. You're gonna wake up the neighbor. Ah. Be careful.
All right.
Is that all of them?
That's like a legit
Is
car
that
show
all
right
of them, guys?
there. No, there's more?
There's more. There is more fireworks, everyone. At the end, I hope you enjoy. Please smash the like and subscribe. Right?
Yep.
Alright. Why are they disgusting?
Can you smell the fireworks?
Yeah. I just saw some.
You know what fireworks are like?
What?
TNT.
Oh yeah, I can fix.
Oh, it smells horrible.
Go, 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 go! Whoa. Was that only one firework?
Just
There's more. There is more, right? Is there more?
Way more.
Oh, how much is there?
No, a lot.
Lot. Okay. Can we use all the fireworks you guys have?
Yeah.
Josh, you're gonna wake up the neighbor. All right. Josh, you're gonna wake up the neighbor. All right. That's not all, right? There's more. This is longer than the other video I made.
Are you making like individual videos or one big one?
What?
Are you making like individual videos or one big one?
It's on videos. Actually, one whole video.
I don't know actually, babe.
Huh?
I don't know that we should do this one.
Why?
It's not into their house and all.
Да?
Firework. Is that all?
Oh, I think it's totally fine.
Still more.
Well, for
Bucelli things.
Well, the neighbors were doing it, right?
What does Bucelli think? And throw, cup, run. Bucelli thinks these are gunshots. So he thinks he's about to die. Throw, cup, run away. Yeah, or run cup. Bucelli was in the throw, cup, run
And they're
away.
coming back from watching the fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Do you guys love this show? If you did, please like and subscribe. There's still more. Yeah. There's still more. We should keep watching. Yep. This is longer than the workout video. Happy 4th of July! Fireworks! If you live in America, yeah, happy 4th of July. If you live somewhere in
Так, хорош там
England,
газ
or...
включать.
Last one.
Oh, last one. So there's fireworks in Florida. I'm glad we're not in Pennsylvania right now, right? Why? Because we won't see these fireworks. There goes a boat. That's not what we want to see, right? We don't want to see a boat. We want to see fireworks. Yeah. Yeah. Run, run, run! We have our two YouTubers, Maddie and Nikki. Whoa!
one.
Come on, Anna. The camera's on you. Everyone can see you.
Hello.
No, you're
Oh,
not
are you
famous.
making a video?
Yeah, you're not famous.
All right.
That's it?
Good job, Scott.
Is that it? That's it?
Yes.
Make some more. Ah, what are you doing? Ah!
Oh, be careful.
Oh my God,
That's it. Okay, he's out there following. Got a sled. It's your time to get a sled. That is it, right? That is it. Ready? That is it, okay? Alright, start the video on me. Okay. Alright. That was the end of the fireworks show. I hope you enjoyed. Please smash that like button, subscribe. And bye!